Hello, YouTube. Last time we left you, we had energy shot drink bomb things. So here's adventure part 2. We're gonna explode an egg. Josiah and I. We're gonna explode an egg. And Mindy. She's probably gonna do most of the cleaning. Sorry, no, I'm just kidding. Explode an egg in the microwave.
Here we go.
Here we go. There it is. I did not know it was already in there, but okay. How long does it take?
Probably like 30 seconds, I'm not sure. I don't remember.
On this episode of 1,000 Ways to Die, we see 2 idiots who did not know.
It's awesome because it just looks like an egg in a microwave and then all of a sudden...
Oh my gosh, here we go. That was awesome.
Look at it. It's boiled.
Oh my gosh. We got a very good reaction from Mindy. That's gross. Lots of cleanup. Get to it. That was part 2 of Triple Horn JJ Adventures.
Shenanigans.